Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock your TRC20 USDT and send it to Binance like a pro? Whether you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher, today's video is going to break everything down step by step, so you can take control of your crypto and make transfers with confidence. If you're ready to dive in, smash that like button, and let's get started on this easy, fast, and secure method to move your USDT. First things first, let's quickly talk about what a recovery phrase is, just to make sure we're all on the same page. A recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase, is a series of 12 or 24 words that act as your backup to access your wallet. Think of it as the master key to your wallet. Without it, you can't access your funds if something goes wrong, like if you lose your password or phone. The phrase you provided, for example, surge fence muscle flower taxi gadget inject rough stage usage electric retreat, is your recovery phrase. These words must be kept safe and never shared with anyone you don't trust. It's the key to your assets. Now that we understand what the recovery phrase is, let's move on to actually accessing your wallet. To do this, you'll need a wallet that supports TRC20 USDT and can restore from a recovery phrase. There are a few popular options like SafePal, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask. For this example, I'll show you how to do it using SafePal. 1. Open your SafePal app or whatever wallet you're using. 2. On the main screen, look for the Restore Wallet option. This is where you'll use your recovery phrase. 3. Select Restore from recovery phrase and enter the 12 or 24 words in the exact order you received them. This is where accuracy is super important. Even one wrong word will prevent access to your wallet. Once you've entered the recovery phrase, your wallet should be restored. The wallet will load all the assets associated with it, including your TRC20 USDT. Now let's check if your USDT is showing up. Perfect. As you can see, the TRC20 USDT is showing up in my wallet. If you don't see it right away, you may need to add the token manually by searching for TRC20 USDT in the Add Token section of your wallet. Now that your USDT is in your wallet, let's talk about transferring it to Binance. The process is simple and involves just a few key steps. 1. Open your wallet and click on the Send button. 2. Next, open Binance and find your USDT deposit address. Make sure you're selecting TRC20 as the network, because we're dealing with TRC20 USDT here. 3. Copy the address from Binance and paste it into your wallet's recipient address field. 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, always double-check the address and amount to make sure everything is correct. 5. Confirm the transaction. There will be a small transaction fee, but that's standard for blockchain transfers. Once you've confirmed the transaction, you should see the status update in your wallet. You can track the transaction by using a blockchain explorer like Tronscan to verify that the transfer has gone through successfully. Just paste the transaction ID into Tronscan and you'll see everything you need, including the confirmation of your USDT arriving at Binance. And that's it. You've successfully extracted your TRC20 USDT from a Wavefield chain using your recovery phrase and transferred it to Binance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.